Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the future of electric luxury, the all-new 2025 Mercedes-Maybach EQS SUV. This isn't your average electric vehicle, it's a statement piece that blends cutting-edge technology with unparalleled comfort and elegance. So, buckle up, and let's see what this electric Leviathan has to offer. Design, majesty on the move. Show exterior shots of the car. The first thing that grabs you about the Maybach EQS is its undeniable presence. The massive chrome grille, signature Maybach accents, and flowing body lines all scream sophistication. But it's not just about looks. This SUV boasts a drag coefficient of just 0.28, making it incredibly sleek and aerodynamic. Interior, a first-class cabin. Cut to interior shots. Step inside, and prepare to be wowed. The Maybach EQS takes the concept of luxury to a whole new level. Think spacious, handcrafted Napa leather seats, a panoramic sunroof that stretches from front to back, and ambient lighting that sets the mood perfectly. Technology seamlessly integrates with luxury here. The massive hyperscreen stretches across the dashboard, offering intuitive control over climate, entertainment, and navigation. In the rear, reclining heated and ventilated seats with massage functions turn every journey into a first-class experience. Performance, electric powerhouse. Show quick cuts of the car driving. Now, on to the firepower. Don't let the luxurious exterior fool you. The Maybach EQS packs a serious punch. The base model, the EQS 680, boasts a staggering 680 horsepower and can launch you from 0 to 60 in a jaw-dropping 4.2 seconds. All this while delivering an estimated range of over 340 miles on a single charge. That's enough for most weekend getaways without a worry. Plus, with its advanced all-wheel drive system, this SUV can handle any terrain in silent comfort. Unique selling points, where Maybach EQS shines. Focus on specific features. Let's talk about what truly sets the Maybach EQS apart. Whisper quiet cabin. Thanks to superior engineering and noise cancellation technology, the cabin is so quiet, you can hear a pin drop, perfect for enjoying your favorite music or simply escaping the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Personalized indulgence. The Maybach EQS offers an insane level of customization. From choosing from a variety of premium materials and finishes to tailoring the ambient lighting and even setting custom fragrance options, this SUV can be your personal sanctuary on wheels. Sustainable statement. Let's face it, electric is the future. The Maybach EQS makes a powerful statement about your commitment to a greener tomorrow, without sacrificing an ounce of luxury. Show the car driving off. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach EQS SUV isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's a testament to the fact that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a discerning traveler, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Maybach EQS has something to offer. Of course, with great luxury comes a hefty price tag, but for those who can afford it, the Maybach EQS is a chance to own a piece of the future, a future that's electric, luxurious, and oh so comfortable. Thanks for joining us today. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the Maybach EQS. And if you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the links in the description below.